Yeah, let me introduce y'all niggas to Get Money.
Yeah, it's me.
6 Mile, nigga.
Yeah, it's me.
Hey, show them why they call you Get Money, bro.
Man, hey, look at this, man. You might see some more up in there, nigga. This money, nigga. You know, I just stuff money in my pocket, nigga, because that's my name, nigga. Hey, check me out, though, man. I'm a real motherfucking G, man. Look, check it. This God money. I pop mags like tags. No, fuck it. I pop tags like mags. I'm Comerica Park hustling with some pretty ass grass. And I don't put no sandwich in these bags. And I ain't talking about no sweet crackers when I'm talking about these grams. If I ever put a pistol, boy, you gon' feel the blam. These hollows eat your flesh like Silence of the Lambs. Old pipe on that ass like NBA Jam. I'm out here cranking, trying to make my money cram till I got enough for Monica, Rick, Meek, and Shan, my evil twin Lee, my little brother man. Fuck the dirt, bitch, nigga. Put your ass in the sand. Do you in broad day and let your fork get a tan. Get money protect this turf like the Rams. With this 4-4, swear to God, I'm like the son of Sam. Boy, I ain't never ran. I get that ass like I get that cash. Fuck over the boy, I'ma come split your ass. See, I was made for the contact like football pads. I split a nigga in half for not paying his tab. See, I spit on hollows, turn flesh to paso. I suggest you follow, cause bitch niggas die slow. And not with their eyes closed, I got the semi-silence. I put a nigga down like a couple Long Islands. But I am talking about violence, cause these niggas is trying to knock the crown off your highness. But still I shine like diamonds. I put them where nobody can find them. I keep shit fly as a pilot. Chillin' with some bitches that get higher than I get. So they suck dick and swallow every piece of evidence. Homie, since 11 I've been a D-Town veteran and stayed down ever since.
I see niggas watching me closely. Don't know shit about the game but wanna coach me. Telling you nah, fake nigga, don't approach me. You niggas is sweeter than Shane Mosley. Get money, I couldn't see you in my rear view. If you yelled in my ear, I couldn't hear you. Cause you bitch ass nigga, I'm immune to you. It's not a game, I'm gonna put a sonic boom to you. Yes sir, let them hollow tips zoom through you. I will have your ass howling like the moon knew you. Get riddled with bullets, I will blues clues you. Have your shirt the color of the new Hoosiers. I'm a 6 Mile Subaru. Niggas is weaker than Patrick Ewing Jr. My heart is filled with pain. Sometimes I feel like a dead man's vein, but can't nobody derail my train. To stop my shine, you gotta create clouds of rain. You can't do that. You still got miles to gain, and I still got pounds of dames in this game. It ain't no Hall of Fame, and if it was, I ain't trying to install my name. It's all with the 16, the white with the sack. They coming back like I'm giving free packs. Get money banking on you like the strap. Got the haters breaking more glass than Young Shaq. They trying to make the 24s flat, but it ain't jack but about 4 racks. You gotta watch the seeds you plant. Stepping on these haters like ants.